Hello! So for today's vlog ay magluluto ako ng sweet and sour fish na may limited ingredients na makikita lamang sa loob ng ating bahay. Ayan, so bali disclaimer lang po yung sweet and sour fish is meron talaga siyang pineapple, green bell pepper, tapos yung coating ng fried fish is talagang dapat may cornstarch or nakababad siya sa cornstarch, sa all-purpose flour, sa paprika, sa garlic powder, and sa breadcrumbs. Pero since sabi ko nga sa unang part ng video is limited ingredients lang din talaga to. So ito yung mga ingredients na makikita lang talaga sa loob ng bahay namin. And kasi nagtitipid din naman din talaga kami. So ito yung mga ingredients na hinanda ko. Merong pepper, may bell pepper, mga kalamansi, ayan. May tomato ketchup, may asin, may suka, may asukal, may tomato sauce, saka tomato paste. Ayan. Itong tomato paste is ito na lang yung natira sa niluto pa namin dati. Saka, munti ko lang makalimutan, meron na rin palang isda doon na tilapia kaming nalinis and pinapatuluan na lang. Ito yung tilapia, tapos ito yung oil na gagamitin na nakalimutan kong sabihin kanina. Okay, so may na-slice na akong kalamansi. Tapos, pinigyan ko na siya. Yan, slice lang yung mga kalamansi, tapos bigaan. Ba't ko pa papahirapan yung sarili ko? Kailangan ko pala muna i-slice to lahat. Okay, wala na to. Medyo bulok na siya. So, ba't ko ganun i-slice yung kalamansi? Kasi medyo po mapurol. Wala na rin to. Baka sabihin yung So, ito kasi mga kalamansing ito is galing din sa ref namin. And matagal na siyang nasa ref. Kaya maliliit siya. Okay. Sana mabalot, sana kasya to sa lahat ng tilapia. Pero feeling ko kasya yan sa lahat ng tilapia. Tapos, bigaan. Yan. Tanggalin lang yung buto na nasama kasi mapait yan. Okay. Ay! Hindi makuha yung mga buto ng kalamansi. Yan. Mapait kasi yan. Ayan. So, ang next na ilalagay is yung maglagay ng oil sa kawali. So, bali itong oil na to is reused oil na lang din naman siya para makatipid kami sa oil. And ginamit ko to para sa pagpiprito ng manok dun sa nauna kong vlog. Okay, so, after mapainit yung mantika, isilagay lahat ng kalamansi na na-squeezed. Ilagay ng 1 teaspoon ng paminta. Yan. Saka 1 teaspoon ng asin. And ang ginagawa ko para ma-coat siya evenly is tinotoss ko lang din siya. Pagkatapos makot yung isda, is-fry lang siya sa medium heat lang for 5 to 10 minutes or until maging golden brown siya. So kapag naluto na yung isang side ng fish, is baliktarin lang para maluto ulit yung another side. Ito na yung pangalawang batch na mga lulutuin na fish. Good luck to me. So bali niluto ko na yung belly part ng fish kasama ng buntot para mas madali na siya maluto. So, ito na yung lahat ng mga naprito ko na tilapia. So, after naprito lahat ng fish, is balatan nyo lang itong luya. Tapos si chop. Pati yung onion at bawang.
She's the best damn agent you got.
She was, Max. Past tense. I'm pulling her from the field and bringing her in. She's suspended until further notice. Enjoy retirement. Ronald told me why you're looking for
So
Dr. Howard.
next is peel and mince the garlic.
Mother?
Hey. Oh, what a surprise. This is Detective Daniel Mueller from the Swiss Police.
Well, long ways away. Likewise. What brings you all the way out here?
Well, Detective Mueller was just informing me about a missing child from one of our Helping Hands orphanages in Geneva.
His name was Martin. He disappeared 5 years ago.
I didn't hear about this.
It was tragic. But the detective believes that he has a break in the case.
I was in the US on business. I thought your mother would like to hear this in person.
And I so appreciate that.
New evidence has surfaced in the case, connecting it to a murder right here in Boston. A little boy named Matthew Burroughs.
Hey,
Where are you?
I'm at the hospital. Look, I think David Burroughs is here.
Yeah, it does. But keep talking.
Okay, I came back to talk to Cheryl, his ex-wife. I ran into her husband, who happens to be the hospital administrator. He would not tell me where she is, so I arrested him.
Wait, whoa. You arrested the hospital administrator? You're on leave.
Relax, okay? Your blood pressure. I had a BPD officer do it.
You need to listen to me, okay? Julia's having you pulled from the field. This is serious, Sarah. Okay, she knows about the DNA test, and she knows you're still working the case. You can't be right.
I'm sorry. I don't understand what this has to do with me.
The missing boy from your orphanage shows up dead in your hometown. You don't think that's suspicious?
How dare you? How dare you suggest that I had anything to do with a child's death? You can leave. Let me see photos from Six Flags. This is dated in photography. I was sent all your photos, but I'm missing 3. And I'm wondering if you can email them to me.
Ginamit ko ulit yung oil na ginamit ko sa pagprito ng isda para i-stir fry yung bawang, sibuyas at luya. So naglagay lang ako ng isang sandok ng vinegar. Naglagay lang ako ng isang tasa ng tubig. 2 tasa na tubig na lang pala lalagay ko. Ito yung tomato paste. Kaya i-dilute ko lang yun sa water. Tapos pakukuluan ko lang siya. ito yung tomato ketchup. So, bali, tutunawin lang sa tubig. So, ito yung tomato sauce. Bali, halo mo lang ulit sa tubig. Yan. Napaka-messy ng chopping board ko, pero siyempre nagluluto ko. So, ito nga pala yung bell pepper.
Getting out of here.
Hey,
Yan.
this is gonna sound crazy.
Tanggalin lang yung
My name's Cheryl.
I know who you are, Dr. Trace.
Your partner, Agent Greer, she just left
Left to go where?
to find my son, and David's with her.
So he wasn't arrested.
No,
You know where they're headed?
the Payne estate. Hayden Payne was behind everything that happened that night. Now she said the FBI couldn't do anything without proof. I have proof. Philip McKenzie ran a DNA test for me. That proves the blood found that night wasn't Matthew's, which means the DNA results used at the trial were doctored. David's innocent. My son is alive. Please. I need your help.
Ilagay yung mga nahiwang mga bell pepper sa kumukulong sauce. Ako naglalagay ng pepper and asin, pero titikman ko lang siya. Lalasa. I-expect. So, naglagay lang ako ng 1 scoop ng asin ko.
But lucky for Sarah,
Bali, 2 scoops na pala ito.
cared about actually solving the case.
So, naglalagay lang ako ng tablespoon ng pepper. Sana hindi siya maanghang. Tapos haluhuluin ko. Lalagay lang ako ng 1 teaspoon ng asin. Yan. Okay, taste test. Which one? Ayun. Ito. Yan. Sarap na. So, nagad ako ng 1 teaspoon pa ng asin kasi medyo maanghang siya. I-add lang ulit pabalik sa pan yung mga napulitong isda. Tapos hayaan lang sumalik.
I'll always find them.
Ayan, ito na yung sweet and sour fish. Sarap. Sarap. Panalo ang sarap. Sarap. Sarap guys. Ito yung mga bell pepper, onion, saka yung luya, garlic. Ang sarap. Thank you again for watching my cooking vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again on the next video. Bye-bye!